Thinking about making Japan your new home? Whether it's for work, study, or exploring a new culture, Japan has so much to offer. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step visa process to help you move from your home country to Japan. We'll cover everything you need to know about visa categories, application steps, and key tips for a seamless journey. Let's get started. The first step is selecting the visa that matches your purpose for moving. Japan offers various visa categories tailored to different needs. Let's break them down. Tourist visa for leisure or short-term visits. Business visa for short-term professional engagements. Student visa for enrolling in Japanese schools or universities. Work visa for jobs like teaching, technical roles, or specialized professions. Transit visa for brief layovers while traveling to another destination. Spouse or dependent visa for family members of Japanese residents. Let's explore these visa categories in more detail to find the right one for you. Planning a vacation or visiting friends and family. A tourist visa is your go-to option. It's required for travelers from countries not eligible for visa-free entry. To be eligible for this type of visa, you will need a valid passport, travel itinerary with flight and accommodation details, and proof of financial capability, like bank statements. Let's go over the following steps together. First, you need to complete the visa application form. Next, gather your documents like an itinerary, proof of funds, and passport photos. Then submit your application at a Japanese embassy or consulate. The processing time is about 5 to 7 working days. If you're attending meetings, conferences, or professional engagements, a business visa is ideal. To be eligible, you need an invitation letter from a Japanese company, proof of employment or professional role in your home country. First, you need to complete the application form. Next, provide supporting documents such as the invitation letter and proof of accommodation. Finally, submit your application. The processing time is around 5 to 10 working days. Dreaming of studying in Japan? A student visa lets you enroll in language schools, universities, or vocational programs. To be eligible, you need a certificate of eligibility, COE for short, issued by your school, proof of enrollment and tuition payment, and financial support documents. Let's go over the following steps. First, you need to apply to a Japanese institution and receive your COE, and then submit your application along with supporting documents. Finally, you need to wait approximately 2 to 4 weeks post-COE to process. Moving to Japan for employment? Work visas are available for various professions, including teaching and specialized technical jobs. To be eligible, you need a certificate of eligibility from your employer in Japan, and proof of qualifications or a degree in the required field. Let's go over the following steps. Your employer applies for your COE in Japan, and then you submit the visa application with the COE and other documents. This takes approximately 2 to 4 weeks post-COE to process. If Japan is a stopover on your journey, a transit visa allows a brief stay. To be eligible, you need a valid passport and proof of onward travel. This usually takes about 2 to 4 working days to process. Joining family in Japan? Spouse and dependent visas are for immediate family members of Japanese residents. To be eligible, you need a marriage or birth certificate and a certificate of eligibility from your sponsor in Japan. This will take about 2 to 4 weeks to process. No matter which visa you're applying for, some documents are essential. You need a valid passport and a recent passport-size photo. Supporting documents specific to your visa type, like a certificate of eligibility or an invitation letter, proof of financial capability, and your travel itinerary with accommodation details. Once your documents are ready, submit your application at the nearest Japanese embassy or consulate. Pay the processing fee, which varies by visa type, and wait for confirmation. For certain visa types, you may need to provide biometrics, such as fingerprints and a photograph, or possibly attend an interview. Follow the instructions provided by the embassy or consulate. Now it's time to prepare for your new adventure while waiting for approval. Research housing options, learn about Japan's healthcare system, and brush up on basic Japanese phrases to make your transition smoother. Check out our video in this series, 50 Top Conversational Phrases to Learn in Japanese, to help you transition into your new life in Japan. The link to the video is in the description below. And there you have it. Moving to Japan is a big step, but by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to starting an exciting new chapter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy travels and enjoy your journey to Japan.